Hey, what's good? Deload na naman this week of 13 to 19 October 2025. Tuesday run was a 90 minutes, zone 2 run lang. Walang masyadong kwento dito aside from mukha na namang uulan kaya di ko magamit yung bago kong shoes. This was for 14.51 kilometers at an average pace of 6:14 per kilometer and average heart rate of 135 BPM. My laps on this run make me think na baka nga nag-improve na yung easy pace ko. Wednesday run was an interval run for 10 by 3 minutes. So, 10 3-minute hard runs with 2 minutes rest in between. Average pace sa hard runs ay 5:07 per kilometer, which is surprising for lil old slow me. Umabot ng 10.51 kilometers total with an average heart rate of 149 BPM. Dahil hindi umulan at maganda yung weather forecast, nagamit ko yung isa kong bagong shoes, the Saucony Endorphin Pro 4. This is another candidate for my race day shoes. Mukhang okay naman pero kailangan pa i-break in. More testing required. Di ko sure kung bumilis ba ako tumakbo o na-excite lang ako sa new shoes. Friday run was another 90-minute zone 2 run, and this was another episode of Will It or Will It Not Rain? Kaya yung lumang GT 2000 shoes ko na lang yung ginamit ko. Actually, pinalitan ko na tong pang daily runs ko. Kaso ulan ng ulan kaya nangihinayang akong gamitin yung bago. Nagpuputik naman kasi pag umuulan tapos light colored pa yung nabili ko. Anyway, this Friday run was for 14.35 kilometers at an average pace of 6:17 per kilometer and average heart rate of 137 BPM. Very similar to Tuesday's run kaya mukhang may improvement naman. Sunday run was a 2-hour easy run and it was raining all throughout the run. Dumaan pala ako ulit sa Mitsubibo and walang katao-tao. Easy running sa dalampasigan. Nag-extend ako ng mga 1 minute para paabutin na ng 19 kilometers. Average pace was 6:23 per kilometer and average heart rate was 136 BPM. This week, I ran a total of 58.39 kilometers and 4 runs lang. Buti na lang deloading this week dahil sobrang dami kong trabaho kasi nakabakasyon yung manager ko at ako lang sa claims. Yun lang, video na yun.
Habulin mo. Hindi mo inabol.